What's up, my fellow traders? Happy Sunday and happy Father's Day to all the fathers out there, all the trading fathers out there. If you're a father and you trade, that's props to you. I can't even imagine that. Before we hop into the charts today, guys, and show you guys a trade plan for Sunday, we're gonna do a trade plan for today and drop it so that you guys can watch this and see what we're gonna try to trade for tomorrow morning and still do a pre-market plan analysis, make sure our trade plan's still in the go. As far as economic news, guys, we already talked about it on Friday's video. We already updated the Discord as well as our whiteboard here. I hope you guys are having an awesome, enjoyable Sunday. Let's hop right into the charts, guys, and show you guys what we're looking at for a quick Sunday update.
So guys, let's start with the S&P 500s. Per usual, you got to start with the big market mover, which is SPY. So as you can see, this is the 4-hour time frame. I already broke down my own analysis, but I don't want to spend all this time or creating a long video of going through the weekly to the monthly to the daily. So I'll just show you guys what I already gathered up with my information and what I'm looking at for tomorrow. So real briefly, on the daily time frame at least, you can see that down here in the daily buyer volume, the buyer volumes are creeping up. So as far as it goes, guys, the bullish momentum has been creeping up and staying solid, and it's been holding on this daily time frame. You can see that we're still in this general area, as well as when I switch to the 4-hour time frame, guys, you guys can see in the past previous weeks videos, we've been watching this trade area, got the nice break to the upside, and we ended up ranging again in this general area, break to the upside again, and guys, here we are again in another range type of area. We got this decent pattern created on the 4-hour time frame on the S&P 500s. All I did was grab the wicks and connect them. And again, guys, we're kind of in a general range again. I mean, I can generally draw a box here if I wanted to, call this a range and wait for a breakout, which I most likely will end up doing. But so far, I like this trend that I have drawn out here, connecting those wicks. So we'll just keep that going. And when I switch over to my default actual settings, you can see that this is what I'm genuinely watching for tomorrow right here. 535.05 is a level that I have, and this support level that we've been talking about since all week, and this specific level that we've been talking about since Wednesday and Thursday and Friday, I'm watching that support level as well. All-time highs is obviously 544.12, and anything above that, guys, be careful. We rejected it already at least once, and if we get it again, just be careful because market is chopping around, doesn't necessarily know what it's doing specifically. So trading SPY, just watch out trading SPY, because this is what I have for SPY right here. Now, as far as when it comes to other stocks, guys, like I said on Apple, I've already done the higher time frame analysis, and there's only a couple things that stick out to me, really just one, and it's just the fact that we're still in this general range from last week. We did trade a put position on this nice candle, rejected it back into the inside, and on Friday we didn't really go anywhere. So Apple isn't really on my radar as much, or really isn't anything that I'm actually watching for, because guys, look at this, we're just ranging, not really going anywhere. It's hard to catch any type of direction when you're in that, but so far lower highs and lower lows. Now I would say the only thing that's interesting for me, guys, is Microsoft here. Microsoft is real close to all-time highs, 443.4. Mark that down on your charts, please, because this is an important level on Microsoft. As you can see, we already rejected at least once, just like SPY. We rejected at least once that level. It is here again, looking like it does want to break out to the upside. So that's something that I'm actually watching for this week, guys, is Microsoft actually looks interesting for me. I did post it already in the trade ideas, as well as Caesar, another member of ours, already posted his trade ideas and what he's looking at. He is more bearish than bullish. He does see some nice pullback potentials happening here. But as far as when it comes to some stocks, guys, there are some stocks that are really close to all-time high, like SPY, and like this one right here, Microsoft. Microsoft is another stock that is really close to all-time highs, and that's the level that I'm watching, which is 443.4. It's real close, and we will try to catch that for this week on a nice trade video, guys. So let's do that. Now, as far as any other stocks goes, there's only one last thing that I will not post as far as when it goes to in my Discord, because this is a very subjective level and it's different for everybody. But this 50% fib level I'm seeing hold really well on Amazon. Now, my chart does look pretty cluttered, which is why I actually don't want to post this chart, because this chart, it's kind of ugly. But you can see here on Amazon, we're building a nice support here on Friday and Thursday. We bounced off of that 50% fib level, but guys, when I go to a higher time frame on that specific fib level specifically, that actually is, although through the chaos, a nice specific level. That 50% fib level is a nice reversal on any time frame. Whether you look on the 4-hour, the daily, it has a really strong reaction at that specific level. So I know my chart here is real cluttered and ugly, but if you can look through the ugliness and see that the 50% fib level is this specific level right here, you can see that the reaction there has really solid bounces and rejects. So that is a level that I will be watching for on Amazon, and I got that fib level. I'll show you guys how I got that fib level. All I did was grab the highest high, which is the all-time high, 191.7, and grab the most recent low, which is 173.87, and that's how you get your fib level. So I have a 50% fib level, which is a nice solid support building here. Now, those are the only stocks that I'm watching for this week, guys. If anything else catches my eye, obviously you guys already know, I will drop it throughout the videos throughout the days and let you guys know in the pre-market analysis, as well as even the end of the day when we do our trade recap and drop the plans for the next day. So overall, we just have to be real cautious and let the market do its thing. It's kind of in the middle of a potential breakout back to some more bulls for the bulls to get a nice push to the upside. But let's wait and be reactors and not predictors and wait to see what the market gives us. We've been pushing real green, real hard, all-time highs, breaking that consistently. So maybe we need some type of pullback here, but let's see what the market gives us on Monday. As far as the news goes, guys, tomorrow we only have a 5:30 a.m. report and a 7 a.m. Philadelphia's Fed speaker. Not too important, and it's nothing that's going to really catch my eye or be cautious on. But as far as when the speaker goes on, there might be some choppiness. Have a good rest of you guys Sunday, and I'll catch you guys on Monday's trade vlog video. Trying to trade every single day and showing up every single day and working on something every single day so that we can give you guys these awesome educational videos, show you guys the entries and why we even enter in the first place, the technical analysis breakdown, and showing you how important it is to keep in mind the fundamental analysis when trading, because it's more than just technical analysis, it's also fundamental analysis, and there's a whole other layers to peel behind the onion as far as when it comes to holding your emotions into trades. And so in these daily vlog videos, I want to show you guys all of the emotions, to show you guys what it's like to be a day trader, working on becoming a full-time millionaire, working on becoming a full-time day trader every single day. So I'll catch you guys on Monday's Trade Zone, and I hope to see you guys there.